Hi everyone, I hope all are doing well. So today I will talk about Google new update. So basically, most of the people thinking it will be most difficult issue, but it's not. It's so simple that I will show you in this video. So don't skip the video, just watch it till the end. So basically, let's log in into my AdSense account. So I will hide all my informations on the AdSense because it will be not shareable to anyone. So first of all, my AdSense has some issue with the ad limit. I think so. It will be go very soon, but uh, every single time I get the ad limit, but it's get rid of in just couple of days. So let's talk about the beginning of January 2024. Google will be require all publishers serving ads to AA and UK user to use a Google Certified Content Management Platform (CMP). You can use any Google Certified CMP for this purpose, including Google own content management solutions. If you are interested in using Google content management solutions, start by setting up your GDPR message. So this message will be get all the AdSense user who are now watching my video. So how you will get rid of it and how you can solve it as soon as possible. So I'll be guide you to complete each and every single step by how you can do that and what is the procedure. So let's get dive into it. So first of all, you have to click on the create a GDP message kit here, or you can go to privacy and messaging. So if you go in privacy and messaging, then you will see there will be a privacy and messaging style. Okay, this will be there, and you can see GDPR CPRA. So how you can go with it. So let's talk about it. So if you can click in here message op, you can click in here, or you can click in create GDPR message. So if you click on GDPR message by clicking here, then you will go right to the next procedure like this. Or if you are not interested to click in here, then you can select on GDPR, then it will also get you dive to in just a few steps. So if you need to start with it, then you can go with it, but it's necessary for every single publisher who is using Google AdSense. So basically, let's create a GDPR message. So by clicking in it here, let's click on create a GDPR message. So I will click in here. So then you have to choose your website. So I have almost two website, but I will select this one. This is my website that will be at a site name. There will be require a site name, so I will give it a site name. What is my website name? Then I will click on that. Okay, so then this will be my website. Okay, then I will click on the save button. After saving it, now I have to add a privacy policy URL. So I have to get my privacy policy URL. I will be get back to it. So then you have to paste and get your. So after getting your privacy policy URL link, then you have to paste it in here and click it in save. Okay, after saving it, you have to add a logo. So basically every single of website you have owned, that have must be a single of them logo. So you have to click a logo, or you have to add a logo, or you have to upload a logo on this platform. So on AdSense, then you can see each and every single time a person view your website, then they will see your logo and content management banner. That will be good enough for everyone to know that the banner of content management banner is for your website. So okay, so uploading the logo, then you have to click upload and upload your images, and most important things that your logo should be 150 kb, and it will be 5:1 recommended aspect ratio. So you have to create it. If you can't create it, then you can go to Canva and design it by the 5:1 ratio. Okay, I have uploaded the logo and I am confirming it. I'm clicking on the confirm button, and then I have to select a logo. That will be, I will leave it as it is English. And additional language, you can add additional language if you want. Then you can then you can add as many as you can. So I have no Spanish or anything. My website is only for English purpose. Then I will add the English language as well. So use content consent option. Okay, this is the main part. User can either accept or deny consent to your ad partner and their purpose, or they can select manage options to customize their choices. Okay, so if you click on this, then your user will notified, or user will do, they can accept the consent, or they can reject it, or they can also manage your all the consent management button. So user can either accept or deny consent management, and if you click on the consents or manage options, user can consent to your ad partner and their purpose, or select manage options to customize. Okay, so each and every single step they can do. Then okay, so you have to click on this close do not consent. So user can decline consent to your ad partner ad and their purpose by dismissing your message with a close icon. Okay, that will be enough. Legitimate interest. Okay, that will be as it is purpose. Okay, review your ad partner. So okay, let me review some ad partner. Do I have or not? Okay, so let me type it in here and search it. If I have any ad partner, then I can also add it to it. Okay, so let me search one. Okay, so basically all are from Google ad, and I do not want to change it. If you have any of them is not matching in here, then you can leave it as it is, the same. Okay, add purpose of your own use. Okay, so my use, I will select each and every single option. I will select each and every single thing that will be go with me. Okay, okay, partner, this will be the partner, and we will continue. So after continue the button, let's dive into the style section. Okay, so this will be our consent management system. There will be technology arcs for your consent to use your personal data too. Okay, that will be like this. Okay, consent, do not consent, consent, manage option. There will be two each and every single thing. Okay, do not consent, if you want to off it, turn off it, then it will be gone, look like this. And if you want to remove the close do not want, then it will be also close do not by one. Okay, let keep it in on, and each and every single things will be like as it is. And if you want, then you can do some styling in here. So there will be header, alignment, header, each and every single of thing you can do and align it in here as well. So if you want to uh, customize the theme and the logo and each and every single thing, then you can do that. And you also can do manage the color of this. If your website is different color, then you can also do that. So I'll leave it as it is, then I will hit the publish button. Okay, well done. So after clicking the publish button, it will be published as soon as possible. So voila, that's it. Our GDP is now published, and if the United Kingdom and any other country that require the consent management banner, they will see it and they will view it. You do not need to add any code to your website. Just publish it and leave it as it is, and then you can see how many people are seeing your consent and each and every single of thing, how many consent ratio you are expecting, how many people are visiting download report. You can do each and every single of thing. So this is the video where I have explained each and every single step, how you can do that and how you can manage the consent GDPR message for your website. So I hope you will do it like as it is I have done. So this is the video. I hope you will love it. So see you in the next video. Goodbye, tata.